do you think we should go this way? Alright, I will obey.
That's right. Martin's getting cocky. You got a half mile to go, Martin. Go get it.
There's Dana again. Is that a Zinfandel?
Maybe it's one of the Royal Crosses. They do.
Upper class, top drawer.
Listen to the oboist on this song. He just takes it to the...
You're a big oboe fan, aren't you? Wouldn't it be weird if we watched ourselves crash here from up there?
Nobody's out.
There's not a car on the road.
We're doing the alley.
Are all your tires studded?
Everybody say all on. Here we go. Here's the test.
Whoa. What happened?
We can get out and push.
Can we bottom out? Let's get out and push.
It's almost like the bottom now.
Get out.
Now we're gonna like